Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set passcode lock on Telegram, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Telegram app. After that click on the three lines at the top of the screen. After that click on the settings. Then you can see at the settings section the privacy and security. And after that, at the security section, you can see that the first one is passcode lock. Click on that. And it says that when you set up an additional passcode, a lock icon will appear on the chats page. Tap it to lock and unlock your Telegram app. And if you forget the passcode, you will need to delete and reinstall the app, or secret chats will be lost. So if you want to have a passcode lock, click on that and you can enter a passcode or you can add a password. So let's say all right. And now I made a passcode lock, and it says and now appeared several additional settings like unlock with fingerprint, and you can select the auto lock, and here you can select the exact time or you can disable, and it says that require passcode if away for a time. And after that, show app content in task switcher. If disabled, you won't be able to take screenshots in the app, but chat content will be hidden in the task switcher. So you can turn it on and off this setting as well. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.